Okay, so in English we have I, we have you, we have she, he, and it, and then we have plural as well, as in we, us, or you, or they, or you guys, or them. There's plenty of words there. In Chinese, it doesn't have to be that difficult. So instead, we just come up with one single character. It's men, and it looks like that. It sounds like men, like that. And you actually put it at the end, and it implies plural. As in, if there's one of me, that's 我. But if there's many of me, as in us or we, then we would say 我 and then add a man at the end. So 我们. Wonderful. With the same logic now, we can also go with 你, which would be you. But if you want to say you guys, as in you are plural, would be 你 plus 你们. Oh, so 你们. So now we have 我, 我们, 你, 你们. If it's he or she, it would be 他, but if it's plural, it would be 他们, 他们, 他们. Fantastic, isn't it? So now we actually know all the personal pronouns, that being I, you, he, she, etc., etc. And also we know the object as in me or her or him. So there's a lot of words in English, but I think I've proven my point here already, showing that Chinese we don't need that many words really. So yeah, 我们, 你们, 他们 are the words for this lesson. And we can make so many sentences with these now. We can say, what are their names? So 他们叫什么? Or what are your names? 你们叫什么? Or you're free to make whatever sentence you'd like with these words. Please comment below, by the way, with whatever you can come up with. And I'm looking forward to being impressed.